In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error. So whenever you try to log into Instagram account, you're getting this error message that says, sorry, there was a problem with your request. So I'm going to walk you through on how to fix that. So follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find this video helpful, then consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's jump in. Now for you to solve this problem, you need to open Instagram application. Now here on the sign in page, just submit your username. Now in the password section, don't submit anything. Instead, click on forgot password here at the bottom. So tap on that. Now here on the find your account page, just submit either your email address or mobile number. Then click on continue here at the bottom. Now here on the confirm your account page, just click on can't confirm account. So tap on that link. Now you need to select either the email address or phone number linked to your account. So in my case, I select my email address. Then click on the next button here at the bottom. Now there's a code sent to your email address. So minimize this window and open your Gmail application. Then confirm. Now you'll be prompted to change your password. So change your Instagram password. Now after submitting, you'll have now successfully logged in to Instagram account and the error message will be fixed. So guys, I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, then consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.